run, don't walk, bro. This, oh my God, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't think.
God damn.
Bro, this shit's so good, I mean.
So good, bro. I really don't have no other words for it. I'm just mad at myself for being up the street and never trying it for so long.
This man, he stays
bro.
up the street, bro. He never had to. Bro, but they got pizza too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna get a pizza, but I wasn't spending $100 in Chick-fil-A, bro. I didn't even want to spend the 50, 60 we spent.
We're gonna come back next week. And we're gonna do it again.
I'm not gonna lie. I get the regular honey pimento one first. I'm gonna do the. I'm gonna do the spice one last. I'm gonna do the spice one second. The grilled chicken last.